Hey guys, welcome back. I am Wendy Jo, and today we are jumping into some more YouTube training, and specifically we're going to take a look at Tubebuddy. Now, if you're just getting started with a YouTube channel, this is the #1 tool that I recommend that you get so that you can really make sure that your videos get seen, because making money, monetizing your videos on YouTube is all about visibility, and that is what Tubebuddy is set up to do. Now, on Tubebuddy's website, you will see that they have a pro version, a star version, and a legend version. They also have a free version that you can do as an add-on. So let me share my screen with you really quick. Okay, now we're sharing. So on Tubebuddy's website, you can see they have a pro version, a star version, a legend version, and then up here you can see that I also have the Chrome extension added on because I have several YouTube channels, and each one of your Tubebuddy accounts is linked to these different channels. So the pro version is what I have on this particular channel that you're watching. And you will see the first thing on here I want you to notice is if you click this little button right here, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, which if you're just getting started, you probably do, they're going to give you the pro version for half price. You guys, this is a great price to be able to have the pro features. And if you buy it for the full year, then you've got that price locked in. So that is what I recommend you doing. I do have the link to Tubebuddy in the description of this video, so make sure you go click that link. It's my affiliate link. I do make a few pennies off of people using my link, so I appreciate you guys doing that. It does help support this unmonetized channel at this point. Okay, so if we scroll down here, you can kind of compare all of the different features that Tubebuddy has. You can see this on their website. Obviously, the free version does not have nearly as many features, but it will help you get started. The pro version definitely has a lot more to offer, and then on up, as you get into multiple channels and those types of things, you want to do the star or the legend version. But for today, I'm just going to show you some of the basic features that you can use Tubebuddy for, and show you what it can do to help you with your channel's growth. So I'm inside of my YouTube studio right now. And if you have Tubebuddy installed, you're going to see this little guy right here. And it just is your dashboard, basically, of all of the things that you have going on for Tubebuddy. I have some changes in here that I need to save, so it won't let me go. But before we go there, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you're editing a video and what Tubebuddy will actually do for you. So you'll notice, first of all, up here on the right-hand side, it will show you. You can have upload defaults, so I can have certain defaults that every time I upload a video, it's going to do this for me. I haven't taken the time to go in and do that yet, but I recommend that you do. And then it has the best practices. So I can recheck. So if I've made changes, I can actually recheck the video and see how I rank before I leave it. So here, add chapters. Your first timestamp must start with 0000. So it's telling me that when I added my chapters, I needed to start my timestamp here with 000. So I'm going to go in here. Let's get started. Okay, whoops. All right, so I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to recheck my best practices, and now that has gone away because I corrected the timestamp to make sure that it started how it wanted to. So now it's making some suggestions. The title is between 20 and 70 characters. You generally want your video title to be long enough to be descriptive, but not too long. And let's see, what is the, so I've got a pretty long title on here, so it's basically saying I should probably shorten my title a little bit. So I don't want to work on that right now because I want to really put some thought into that. Get a like on Facebook, so I probably need to share it on Facebook. And I didn't add info cards to this one, which I normally do. And so it's suggesting that I go in and add info cards. It says 8 of 11 best practices are complete, and then I can actually go in and see what I've done. It also lets you know if there's a demonetization audit that has happened, which would be if you used a copyrighted song, or if you put that it was for kids, can't be monetized that way. So it warns you if there's a problem. You can also create a thumbnail with Tubebuddy. So if you want to get those good high quality thumbnails and you're not sure what to do, they have great tools for that. And then if we go down here, this is where your tags come into play. And you see these little numbers, that tells you that those are ranked searches. And so Tubebuddy is telling you that, hey, these are good search terms. They're coming up when people search. Now it says double click any tag to run a keyword explorer on the tag. So I'm going to double click step by step on Etsy. So step by step Etsy tutorial. So it's in the good but not great category. Search volume is a little low. Competition, it's not bad. Optimization strength is high. And so, you can take a look at these and then they're going to suggest to you, hey, these are some other things that people might search. And you can also search Google. So if you want to go over and see how it looks on Google, you can look at video topics as well as common tags that people use whenever they are searching for a step-by-step Etsy tutorial. So you can really dive into these keywords and figure out the best keywords to use. And as you type, if you have the free version, it is going to give you 3 suggestions. So it's going to give you like the top 3 suggestions that go along with your video that you can use. And everything else will be hidden unless you have the pro version. The other thing that you can do is if we go down here, it's actually going to give you suggestions of other keywords based on either search traffic, relevance to your video, or a keyword score. And so like this is number 1 in visibility, sell handmade items online. So I know not only for this video, but for other tutorials I do, people are trying to figure out where they can sell their handmade items online. Like that's got huge visibility. Also print on demand and Etsy, which I have a video on that. And so I need to make sure that this search term is on that video. And then you can see these numbers here are actually a reverse ranking. So the lower the score, the less people are searching for it. The higher the number, the more people are searching. So like this one is yellow, which means it's a little bit higher searched than say make money online, which is a red one. But they're going to give you all kinds of suggested tags that would go along with your video so that you can have some ideas of what kind of long tail keywords to add into your description. So this is just a few things that Tubebuddy does. I'm telling you, there are so many features that it would take hours for me to show you everything. I do want to, let me save this really quick. I do want to take you over and show you what this actually will do on your actual channel, because this is great for comparing your channel with other channels. Now, again, this is my little dinky channel that is just getting up and running. I only have 466 subscribers. It's not even monetized yet, but that's why I love showing you guys this, because I can kind of show you what I've done and where the growth is coming from and show you how we do it. So hopefully by the time we come back at the end of the year and look at all of this, we'll have a fully monetized channel and you guys will be able to see what we've done and how all of this lines up. But so this is a Tubebuddy feature right here. And when you open up your channel and you've got Tubebuddy installed, you're going to see this. It's going to show you the total lifetime views of your channel, how many total videos you have uploaded, and then it's also going to show you your last 30 days. And this little line just shows you whatever you have pulled up here. So this is views in the last 30 days. I can see subscribers and how many videos and what days I posted them, which is kind of nice because then you can see how your subscribers and your views line up with the videos that you're posting and which ones are getting the most traction. And the other thing you can do with this is I'm going to search passive income because that is what I mostly teach on this channel. And okay, so this is the very first video that pulls up, 299,000 views. This one actually has 4.8 million views and was posted 6 months ago. So this person, for whatever reason, has really great SEO and ranked number 1 other than this paid ad as far as being seen. So we're going to click on his video. And actually, you know what? I want to go back because I want to show you something else that Tubebuddy does whenever I did that. So search Explorer. So I searched passive income 2021. then this will tell me the unweighted, and then if I click here for the weighted, the competition, the search volume, all of that kind of stuff, what people are searching for. So if you're trying to figure out if you're like at a standstill and you don't know what to create in YouTube, this is a great way to do it. Just start searching things that you think maybe somebody would want to see a video on that might go along and correlate with what your channel's about, and you can see where you rank, where your keywords would rank, where that particular video would rank. So keywords in title, 1 out of 30, keywords in description, 2 out of 30, keywords in tags, 11 out of 30, top channel, Mike Vestal. So let's see, Mike Vestal. Which one is Mike Vestal? Is this Mike Vestal? This is Joseph Hogue. Is this Mike Vestal? This is Greg Goff. So the top channel for passive income is Mike Vestal. Now, oh, here he is right here. This guy. Passive income ideas for beginners in 2021. So this guy is the #1 ranked when you search for passive income. So there you go. But again, you can go in here and really take a look at what people are searching and get an idea as to what maybe your next video or video series needs to be on. So Tubebuddy has some great features to it. Let me show you one other thing here that I was going to show you earlier. And that is when you go into somebody else's video, first of all, you can see their stats, just like if I was on my video. Let me go, where's my channel at? Go to my channel. So if I go into this video that we were just editing a minute ago, I can see over here my video, the SEO score, how many views it's had, creator suggested, all of this kind of stuff, right? So now if I go over here to this guy's, I can see his SEO score, his total views, all of the same stuff. And I can see what keywords he has used on his video. So I can compare my keywords to his keywords. I can take a look at his title. I can go in here and check out his description as well and compare what he's got going on to what I've got going on. And the other thing that you will be able to see in this is if I actually go up, let me go to his channel, I can do a side-by-side comparison of his channel to my channel. Now, I'm blue, he's red. And as you can see, mine looks basically like a flat line right now compared to his because I have less than 500 subscribers and he has 502,000. So this isn't a great comparison because our channels are so very vastly different as far as the number of followers we have at this point. But I can see that the potential here, he's getting, 27,000 views in a day, 37,000 views in a day. This is the potential that my channel, that this particular channel has. So this would be a great channel for me to check out. What channel keywords is he using? What topics is he posting? Which are his most viewed videos? And I can go into each and every video that he's got. So here, if I sort these by, my cat is having a moment over there, most popular. And here this one's got 1.2 million views. I can see what keywords he used, how his SEO ranked, and exactly why it ranked the way it did. I can go into the Channelytics and go further if I want to. There's just so much that you can see in here by comparing with what Tubebuddy has to offer you. And that way, when you're working on your videos over here, you can edit them and make sure that you are optimizing them for visibility. So again, there's so many incredible features. I don't have time to show you everything today. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on Tubebuddy, I will definitely do it. Just let me know. But I just wanted to highlight some of the features. Again, you can grab the link is in the description to go try it out. Again, you can use the free version, which is just an add-on to your Chrome, or you can get the pro version if you have less than 1,000 subscribers for $3.60 a month. I think it's totally worth it. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Follow along for all of the free education on earning passive income.